Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. The ramps are down and I'm late. They've already been unloading machines. We got a full load. This is the first, well, I don't know what the other 3 units were. I'm gonna go find out right now. But this is the first Can-Am Defender XT model in the HD10 that we have seen in black. Wanted to give you that first look here at the dealership. Super stoked about this model. This is going to be for the guys that are wanting to save a little bit of money. Does not come with the sound system. Still has the dome light. Still has the nice display. The new HD11, the 3-cylinder. Full doors. Does not come with window tint. Still has the winch on there. And a lot of those HD11 features, like the headlights, does not come with the signature lights, as you see there, but you can get it in black. I'm gonna go see, what were the other models, Brett?
They're all great. They all look really good.
They all look good. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know. I'm gonna go, he knows the colors. Let's go venture off over here. See what we got going on. Got the DNR here at Big Pine. We love you guys. All right, let's see what's shaking over here. Ooh, camo. That's right, Defender XT. Hey, Kevin. Yeah, Kevin. This one is gonna be for you. You don't know it yet. If this is not sold, this one is gonna be for you. They're making their way. These are the XT models. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, this is fully enclosed, non-XT model. This is kind of like your base model here. This is gonna be the HD10. So they brought, I don't know if they brought back the HD10, if that's what we're gonna call it. You guys are familiar with the controls from the previous HD10. This is the least expensive model you can get. You got power windows in the front. You've got windshield wiper, washer fluid kit. You do have heat, you do have AC. I'm digging the black in that XT. Look at that. So no automotive paint on this one. So we'll call this the base model of the fully enclosed. And then over here, we do have the blue HD11 XT model. So 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. No screen here, okay? So you're not getting the screen on this model. So this is what the machines look like when they come off the truck. We do still have to assemble part of them. Right now we're gonna check for damage, just see if there's anything like that going on the vehicles. We'll get them set up, do a proper PDI on them. Hold up. Looking good. Again, 435-427-3338. I'm gonna help Brett. We're gonna get these checked in. If you'd like to make one of these yours, we got you covered. Have a great day, everybody. As you know, you may not know, but as most of you probably know, this fully enclosed segment right now is taking over the world, and for good reason. I do want to point out on this HD10, this is the old bed, still has LED tail lights, but you can see the difference here on the tail light versus the new bed. So a couple things to point out there, and let's go around the front. This is the old headlight assembly style. We do have the ability to make those brighter. Don't worry about that. You kind of have the HD11, the generation 1 look versus the generation 2 look, if you will. No winch on this one. You do have a winch on this one. A lot of differences. Come on in, check them out. 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you, Can-Am, for building some killer product.